Okay, so I just saw the news where a minority was raped in Lankana South, allegedly raped. So we get to hear every day. We get to hear such news. There was a shooting in Lodra because एक लड़की ने उसके cousin को ना कर दिया on her nikah day she was shot dead. खैरपुर में honor killing कर दी. So this is the kind of country that we are living in. हमें already कह दिया गया है कि Pakistan is the most unsafe country for women, and every time something like this happens there is no repercussions, there are no consequences, no arrest, no nothing against the people. आज तक आपने सुना है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बता दें, मैंने तो बिल्कुल नहीं सुना है कहीं भी कि एक भी बंदा अरेस्ट हुआ है या कि उसके अगेंस्ट कोई केस चला है या उसको कोई फांसी हुई है, कोई कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस नहीं है. सो जहाँ पे अंधा कानून है, जो भी जिसका दिल चाहता है वो मुंह पे एसिड्स फेंक देता है, गोलियां मार देता है, ऑनर किलिंग हो जाती है हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल के बीच में. nobody is there to stop these things. On top of that, आप जाकर हमारा justice system, our dear justice system is so kind and is so legit, should I say, and so woke. इतनी उनकी legislation strong है कि वो एक 16-year-old Christian बच्ची को allow कर रहे हैं to get married to a Muslim man. One, did you consult any of our religious authorities? When I say ours, because I'm a Christian, I am going to speak against it. Did you consult any of our religious authorities on that? Second, if by international law 18-year-old तक के जो बच्चे हैं वो adolescent है, how is the 16-year-old allowed to get married when she doesn't have any legal documents telling her about claiming her that she's an adult? कोई उसकी legalization documentation नहीं है. She doesn't have an ID, she doesn't have a driving license, she doesn't have freaking authority to vote. But then she has the authority to sign her marriage contract. Lovely. How brilliant is that? Just sort of you're just legalizing pedophiling, you're legalizing rape, you're legalizing everything that a man wants. Well, what do you expect? It is a man's world. So your disgusting आपकी जो fetishness है, आप उसको, I'm going to say that, उसको आप legalize कर रहे हैं. And it's not legal. The nikah is not legal in Muslims, and the nikah is not legal in every religion for that matter. Of a 16-year-old, how is it legal for a Christian girl to be married to? Or by the way, it's not allowed in Christianity for us to get married out of our religion as well. Did you consider that? So every time I think about the justice system in Pakistan, it goes to a new law and you see the result. You're basically legalizing pedophiling and rape. And now you're seeing the result in Nankana. I rest my case here.